right, special thanks to this company for sending us their motion activated wall lantern. They wanted me to create an unboxing and show it to you, so here we are. So you can see how this one has the settings showing here on the side. You have 20 foot, 30 foot, 40 foot, and 10 foot, test, auto, and dusk to dawn. So auto is motion activated, D to D is dusk to dawn. That means it'll just automatically cut on when it gets nighttime. And then over here, you can change your dimmable brightness. A little bit more info about the product here. Max wattage is 60 watts. It does not come with a bulb, so you will have to have your own bulb. And there is the dimensions of the product. Nothing on the bottom. The top just has the company logo with motion activated wall lantern. Thanks again to them for sending this to us. Let's open it up. All right on top is a full user's guide telling you how to wire it and how to do everything. Then down in this little corner, we've got our screws and some wire nuts. That's it for the box. So it's encased in all this nice foam here. Take that one off, and then this one off. And now you're able to see it all a bit better. So it has tips on how to take out the bubble wrap. So unscrew this, and then you can pull this out and slide it back in. And so there we go. That is what it looks like outside of the box. You've got everything you need for your wiring as well as your plate right here. Everything's nice and neatly tied in there for you. So that should make installation and following the instructions even easier. Your settings, as I showed you on the side, so your brightness, whether you want it on test, auto, or dusk till dawn, and how long you want the sensor to be. So the quality of this thing feels amazing. It feels truly durable and super strong. And even with it mounted, you can still always get to those settings. So that is how it would look. Throw your bulb in and you're good to go. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.